To get started, you're going to get a paper plate that's been cut with all these little slits, and then there's a hole in the middle. 4 strands total. So take my 4 strands and fold them in half so I get 8. So I'm kind of lining up the bottom, and I need to create a knot at the end where it's folded. So I'm going to kind of wrap it around my finger till it makes an X, and then I'm going to push that through. Now I'm going to just pop this through my hole in the center. So I've got the knot on one end and the yarn coming through the other side. And now I'm just gonna line up kind of like a plus sign. I'm gonna put 2, go up, and you can kind of see a twisting going on, so keep it as untwisted as possible to get started. So I'm ready to get started. So I have one color going up and down and one color going horizontal. Essentially, you're going to get into a rhythm because it's very repetitive. So I'm going to take the top right and move it to the bottom right. So I don't want to cross over. I'm going to stay on the same side. And then now I have 3 down here and 1 up here. So I have to even it out. So I'm gonna take the left one and bring it up and stay on the left side so I didn't cross over. Then I'm just gonna turn it. Make sure you turn the same direction every time. I'm going to take the top right to bottom right, and then the bottom left to top left. If I set this down and come back to it later, I can look at what color's on top, and that'll tell me what color to do next. So you can start to see, I've only done a little bit, but you can start to see that cord is starting, but it's going to take a little bit of time before you really see it. So you're just going to keep going, top right to bottom right, bottom left to top left, turn.